This is the 2012 Electronics and Photonics section. The first question is a series in parallel. You've got 4 resistors here, and it's asked you to find the total resistance between A and B. So the way I work these out is I work from the inside out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to work out what these guys are first. I'll call that A. Let's avoid confusion, let's call it X. Then I'm going to do this whole section here. Let's call that Y. Then I'm going to do the whole lot, and we'll call that Z. So the first little section in there, X, those two are in series with each other, so you can just add them. The resistance there is 150 plus 150. That's 300 ohms. So then if we look at the next section, Y, we've replaced these 2 resistors with one which is 300 ohms, and down the bottom we've still got our 150 ohms. So now we're finding the resistance of that. That's in parallel, so we've got to do our 1 over R total is 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2, which is 1 over 300 plus 1 over 150. Alright, to make the denominators the same, I'm going to make them both over 300. So that's 1 over 150 is 2 over 300, so that's 3 over 300. And that's 1 over the resistance of this section. So the resistance, you flip it, is 300 over 3, which 300 divided by 3, if you simplify that, is 100 ohms. So that's now, I've replaced this whole section here. It's like saying there's a 100 ohm resistor instead of those 3. And finally, we've got to add in for the section Z, we're going to have 150 and we're going to have 100. And that gives 250 ohms.